Hi guys, she's gonna go in the fridge. Alright, go, go, go. Maya! Guys, I'm in there. Go, close it. I know, I'm recording. Go, hurry up. Raya! Hope you guys like this video. Oh, now we're gonna go together. Guys, you're in here. It's dark. It's dark. So how are we gonna get out? Wait, let's go again. Sit down. Ready? Set. Go. Go. You're gonna roll. Where's that light? Go. Hope you guys like this video. And then let's do it again. No more. Hope you guys like this video. Wait. You wanna clean it? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Stop for more videos.